In this video, we will see how to install Windows 11 PO to your computer step by step. In this video, I'm using two separate laptops to download necessary tools, and another one is the target device, which going to install Windows 11. Step 1. Connect USB drive to the laptop. We need to create bootable USB drive. Since we install Windows 11, make sure your USB drive logger then 8 GB. We're going to use Rufus software to create bootable Windows 11 installation image. So, just download the Rufus software with me. Use the first link, scroll down, and you will see standard Rufus 4.14.exe file. Click on it and wait for the download process automatically. Click on Downloaded Rufus.exe application and let run it. The Rufus application GUI will be pop up. Since you have already connected the USB drive to the laptop, the application automatically identify it and select it for you here. Now we need to select Windows ISO image to create bootable installation media. Let me show you how to download Windows 11 ISO from official Microsoft website. Open up your web browser again and search for Download Windows. You see Download Windows 11, and it is from official Microsoft website. Click on the first link, scroll down and look for Download Windows 11 Disk Image ISO for x64 devices. Select Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO for x64 devices, so you can customize whether to install Windows 11 Home, Pro, Education, and lot more at the installation wizard. Select the product language. I am going to use English, US. Click on 64-bit download button. You see that the download process started automatically. Wait until the ISO file fully download on your local computer. After successful download, let's navigate back to Rufus GUI. Select the downloaded Windows 11 ISO image. Let the other options default and click Start. Now you are creating your Windows 11 bootable image. Wait until it displays as ready. unplug the USB drive from your laptop, which used to download the necessary tools. Bring the device you want to install Windows 11 and connect the USB drive to that device. Power up the device and continuously press F12 button to load Boot Manager. Most of the times this key is F12, but it depends on the laptop vendor and model, so search the correct key trough Google if not worked. This is my Boot Manager menu, and it will display all bootable options available on your computer. We need to boot via the bootable USB drive, so I select USB HDD option via arrow keys. Tada! You successfully booted with the bootable USB media we connected. We use previous versions of setup option. Here's the place where you select Windows Edition to install. Select based on your preference. Select the Windows installation location. In this video, I used a new 120GB SSD drive, so I can see SSD has been detected here. I'm going to install for this SSD with single partition. Click New. We should select the primary type partition as per our Windows installation location. This will become your C partition. Don't forget to format the partition before click Next button. Don't worry, whether we created a single partition here, you can shrink or extend the volume later when installed the Windows 11. Let you to create another partitions like DEF later without corrupting the Windows. See that Windows is installing to your computer right now. When installation finished, it will automatically reboot. Ta-da! Here's your Windows 11 successfully installed. You can proceed with next steps easily.